Alright guys, good afternoon. Welcome to Friday. We are back in our usual observation deck, the Overlook near Grandmaster Hotel here in Tagaytay. And just wanted to give you a quick weekend update, guys. We don't tend to update on Saturdays and Sundays, so we just wanted to come live before the weekend. Obviously, if something important should occur on Saturday or Sunday, we'll bring it to you live as always. But for now, we are just here on Friday afternoon, guys. Friday afternoon here in the Tagaytay Overlook. And just wanted to give you a current view of Taal. As always, guys, just to bring you the latest.
Papa is watching.
Hi,
Pa. Okay guys, so we are back po. Kung may napanood na kayo before, nag-live na kami dito. Nandito kami ngayon sa Tagaytay, Calamba Road. Nasa viewing deck kami ng Barangay Tolentino West. So we're just giving you an update. Mukhang kalmado pa rin ang Taal sa mga nagme-message po sa amin. Mga nag-aalala sa mga kamag-anak nila na nasa Batangas. That's the live view of Taal po. And gaya ng lagi ko sinasabi, wala po kaming ina-announce or anything. Pinapakita lang po namin sa inyo kung ano yung nakikita namin. So, regarding sa activity ng Taal, bumaba po yung volcanic earthquakes pero nasa 3 digits pa rin siya. 110 pa din. Yung volcanic tremors, bumaba ng bahagya. 67 kahapon, 63 ngayon. Yung hybrid events, pareho pa din, 3 hybrid events. Bumaba na yung taas ng pagsingaw sa bulkan. Tapos, tumaas naman yung sulfur dioxide emissions.
So guys, yeah, the alert level is still level 2. So no new developments, guys, but we just wanted to give you a look before we sign off for the weekend. Should something occur or should anything important happen over the weekend, of course, we'll bring it to you live. But we are just here on Friday afternoon in the Tagaytay Overlook.
Barangay Tolentino West sa Tagaytay, Calamba Road. Hindi po kami nagla-live ng Sabado-Linggo kasi po iwas turista po kami, iwas traffic ng Tagaytay. Pero kung may ano-ano man, babalik po kami para bigyan kayo ng live view sa Taal.
Yeah, guys, we're just giving you as good a look as we can. So if you're tuning in for the first time, guys, we live here locally. We are local Tagaytay residents. So we have a lot of viewers, both internationally and locally here in the Philippines.
Opo, kaya po yung mga nagtatanong. Actually, nabawasan naman na. Pero yung mga nagtatanong po bakit po nag-i-English. Kasi nga po, meron po kaming mga viewers po from abroad. Tapos minsan pinapatranslate din po nila. Kaya po kung napapansin nyo ngayon, mas madalas na po yung pag-English tapos yung pagtatranslate ko sa Tagalog. Pero ayun nga po guys, sa mga kakapanood lang, andito po kami ngayon sa Tagaytay, Calamba Road, Barangay Tolentino West. Nasa viewing deck po kami. Kung napanood nyo na yung live namin dati, alam nyo na nakapag live view na kami dito sa lugar na to. Ayun po. Tapos sa ngayon nga po nakikita natin, no, kalmado naman po yung Taal, pero again, sabi nga ng P-Box, pwedeng sumabog, pwedeng hindi. Ngayon po guys, ang magagawa lang natin is maging alerto, handa nyo po yung to-go bags nyo, stay informed, tapos dapat ready kayo anytime. Meanwhile, habang meron po tayo, habang kalmado naman yung Taal, let's not forget po na meron pong COVID pa din. Ngayon po is a record high single day Ang case po ng Pilipinas is 7,103. So, we just want to remind everyone po na huwag kakalimutan yung mask, shield, social distancing. Pero kung hindi naman kailangan lumabas, huwag na lang po lumabas.
Yeah, guys, so 7,103 confirmed cases, single day record for the Philippines, guys. So yeah, if you know, there's been new restrictions implemented here in Tagaytay and obviously in Metro Manila. So
yeah, nga po pala, we mentioned that yesterday. Kung hindi nyo po napapanood yung vlog namin kahapon, in-update po namin kayo kasi ang dami nagsasabing lockdown pa yung Tagaytay, or pwede pa ba yung turista sa Tagaytay. Open po ang Tagaytay sa turista, mas stricto lang po sa mask, face shield, social distancing protocols.
alright guys, yeah, feel free to share this feed as always, guys. If you have friends or family that are in the area, we always try to keep everyone up to date. That's the whole point of us doing these live feeds, guys. Just so that everyone watching can be up to date, have a live look for themselves at Taal Volcano. And yeah, currently we are still at alert level 2. Nothing overly new to report, just regular activity, but the activity that they're seeing is keeping Taal at alert level 2, guys. So
again, wala naman kami nire-report, basta po marami lang din po nanghihingi ng update sa amin. That's why we went live. Ito po yung March 19, 4:40 p.m. update of Taal Volcano. Live view from Tagaytay, Calamba Road, Barangay, Tolentino West.
alright guys, we will wrap this one up. We'll keep it short. Obviously, if you're coming to visit this weekend, please, you know, come visit and just wear your mask and your face shield, guys.
Yes, Reza. Reza, keep safe din. Salamat din.
But yeah, we appreciate everyone tuning in, guys. Please go ahead and follow the page if this is your first time visiting. Obviously, if you're watching this on YouTube, any subscribe is appreciated, guys. But yeah, we will do our best, as always, to bring you live updates and live news from here in Tagaytay. And until next time, guys, stay safe and have a great weekend. And we will...
Yes, continue praying, guys, na yung Taal po kumalma na, ng tuluyan. Maraming salamat po.
All right. We will catch you next time, guys. Thanks so much.